Hello, all. Hope you all are doing good at your home. I'm Shivani, and you guys are watching Delhi Today's live talk show. इस पेंडेमिक में जितनी भी मुसीबतों का सामना करना पड़ा, आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा जो स्टूडेंट्स परेशान हुए हैं बिकॉज उनके एग्जाम्स का जो कुछ था पता नहीं था। एग्जाम्स के बाद अगर हम स्कूल के बाद बात करते हैं तो उन्हें कौन सा करियर चूज करना है, कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूट बेस्ट है, ऐसे कुछ भी हमें नॉलेज नहीं थी। और मार्केट में इतने ज़्यादा इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं जो कि आई थिंक हम किसी पर भी ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट कर लेते हैं, देन हमें पछतावा होता है, रिपेंटेंस की फीलिंग आती है कि हमने क्या कर दिया। तो आप ऐसा कुछ भी मत करिए और एक अच्छे प्लेटफॉर्म से जुड़िए। तो जो आज का हमारा शो है इज टोटली बेस्ड ऑन दैट, जहां हम एक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे जहां आपका भी बहुत ज़्यादा वी कैन से कि प्रॉफिट होने वाला है, बिकॉज आपको कोई भी गाइडेंस चाहिए, कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए, कोई भी क्लास चाहिए, whether you are from science or commerce, you can connect. It's etdcs.india एंड आज हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं मिस्टर हिमांशु दुबे, जो कि COO हैं इस कंपनी के। हमें बहुत सारी बातें पता चलेंगी कि ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो IITs, IIMs, एम्स को कैसे कनेक्ट करता है और कैसे हेल्प करता है स्टूडेंट्स को उनके ड्रीम्स फुलफिल करने में। तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स कनेक्ट।
Hello.
Welcome, sir.
Hi.
How are you, sir?
Hi, Shivani.
Hello, sir.
All well? Hope the same at your side.
Yes, sir. Yes. So let's start this show, sir, by introducing your company. So हम मतलब हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए थोड़ा अपनी कंपनी के बारे में कि व्हाट वी कैन से इज द विजन एंड व्हाट इज द मिशन ऑफ etds.india.
First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Himanshu Dubey, the Chief Operating Officer of ETDCS, representing the founder Ashwani Shakti. As we all know that from past 1 year, we have been stuck badly in lockdowns and COVID times. So the mind was always blocked over these things. So our founder thought that what would be its impact upon the students. We have our cousins, we have our very well-known people who have been doing nothing, just making good things, like for example, cooking and all. So we just thought to have a platform where what we can do is to move ahead for our career perspective. So our founder thought to have a platform wherein we could connect the all IITians and the students so as to enable them to bridge the gap in order to let the people be aware what exactly they will be facing after this COVID time. So he founded this ETDCS packet. So what was in his mind? Let me tell you very frankly. He thought that we have always been taught by our traditional teachers. No doubt they are the best. They used to teach. But with every time we say that the pattern of paper are changing, the motions are changing. So we need to evolve as per that motion. So we have tried to connect all the ETDS top faculties with the IITians. So we have tried to connect people from 23 IITians, IIMs, and all the aims in order to bridge the aspirants to the great faculties. And the reason of doing so was we have always seen, I think you would have also seen, and different other students would also seen that various coaching used to invite the top aspirants for their motivating lecture. So we thought instead to bring the people for the hello. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So instead of bringing the people, okay, instead of bringing the people just for a day or an hour, why not to let the people get the direct exposure from these students only who have just cleared the exams? So we just thought to have a platform to connect all the ETDS expertise from different great cream of India, so that all the problems that they have faced in the upcoming exams, for their upcoming exams and how to study, the new upcoming generation won't feel, because they are stuck at a point. They cannot go beyond their home. So where they will search for? Moreover, we know as how the aspirant used to face the issues. So we realized to have the platform, and hence we have generated a platform of ETDS. Now, something which is very unique for this, what we have thought of is a solution-based approach, wherein we have always seen that a particular teacher used to teach a particular subject to the entire students. But what we did is we did a distribution of students and the topics and the faculties in order to have a proper collaboration between them. We have taken the best expertise of best topic and linked them with the student so that हर एक टॉपिक का यूनिक फीचर जो एक फैकल्टी एक्सपर्ट है वो वी कैन गिव इट टू द स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज हम लोग ने अपने टाइम पे भी देखा होगा कि एक पर्टिकुलर टीचर पूरा सब्जेक्ट तो पढ़ाता है बट समटाइम्स वी फील दैट वो ये चैप्टर तो अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं बट ये चैप्टर नहीं सो टू कर्ब दिस इशू वी थॉट टू first of all see the faculties their expertise have a proper channel and then link them with those subjects to the student so this is we at here are doing moreover we are seeing that in this online platform there are a lot more coaching going on from the past time also and we are seeing that the fee structures and all the issues that they are dealing with is a great issue to be dealt with so we just thought
Sir, your video got stuck actually.
am I connected okay. So have a we just thought to have a bridge between those students and those IITians because we just tried for an IITian there should be an IITian correct for an IITian there should be an IITian to know actually what the problem they have faced even I in my preparation times have often realized that जितना अच्छा opinion आपको एक aspirant दे सकता है as to what difficulties they have faced, as to what books they have to refer, उतना एक professional teacher नहीं दे सकता because a professional teacher has a set pattern what he will be teaching to all the students in general. But here we are providing a 24/7 platform wherein they could not just only deal with the study materials, but we have different group and committee for counseling, for knowing the problem solving, so that a student should get every aspect what he actually desires for. And the best part is because we have often seen that teachers are not professionals. So instead of hiring those professionals, what we can do is hiring those expert faculties so that they could give the best out of them. So वो बच्चों की feelings भी समझ सकेंगे कि what they themselves have faced the problem few years back and how they have tackled those problems. So that's the very aim and purpose of bringing ETDS CDS at this level. And it's not just about IITs. We have also offered the platform for CAT, NEET, JEE, GATE, IAS, UPSC aspirants. We will be dealing with it slowly by slowly. Right now, we have the faculties from all 23 IITs which are just connected. We have our YouTube page. You can the aspirants can go over there and have a look as to what are the faculties, how they are expert at their faculties. And one more thing which we are giving, the demo classes, because we have often seen that nowadays the coachings are so much professional that they first of all charge you fees and then they say there are no demo classes. So we are providing with the demo classes. Let the student be comfortable with the atmosphere and let him or herself decide whether she is fit for it, she wants the solution, and whatever problem she has, she is actually getting to it or not. So this has been our approach. And we have seen the various problems in the traditional coaching system that we know. For example, even till now, I don't think that coaching institutes are open for the physical classes because it has been open for 1 month or something and it again closed, and we are still expecting the third wave of COVID. So it's better to choose a faculty and start moving on instead of just waiting for something to go on, right? So this has been our approach. We are just trying to reach the people and their minds because we know what exactly issues we have faced at our times. So the approach has been very simple and very practical with these. This is what in line which we are thinking.
Okay. Sir, as your company is started in pandemic, in lockdown, so what challenges do you face to grow your business? Because growing in startup and a tech company, it's not, we can say, a cup of tea, especially in this lockdown. It requires a lot of hard work, we can say, a lot of caliber. So how you manage it? How you and your team manage
That's a good question, I will say. The issue came, the point of ETDS came at the mind of our founder in this lockdown in 2020. At that time, we had nothing. We have just first of all made a structure what actually we want. So for that purpose, we have made we had a setting, and thanks to internet facility and the government that they have allowed the Wi-Fi connections, and for the services of net they were available. So we first of all had a Wi-Fi services, because we all know that before that तो mobile data से काम चल जाता था, but अब तो Wi-Fi is must.
it?
तो सबसे पहले तो वी हैड दैट वाईफाई कनेक्शन, हम लोग ने एक स्ट्रक्चर ऑर्गेनाइज किया. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट एक्चुअली ऑफ ईटीडीसीएस इज कि वी आर द यूथ, और हमें पता है कि कौन से लेवल से हाउ वी कैन कनेक्ट पीपल. वी आर ऑफ द बैच जब हमारे खुद के फ्रेंड सर्कल्स में, रिलेटिव्स में, कुछ आईआईटीज में है, कुछ एनआईटीज में है, कुछ एम्स में है, तो इट वाज वेरी इजी टू कनेक्ट दिस पीपल. Instead of having a physical class, we just first of all gathered what actually faculty we have. तो सबसे पहले तो हम लोग ने लिस्ट बना ली कि हाँ भाई ये है, एंड फॉर्चुनेटली बाय गॉड ग्रेस वी गेट टू नो कि on all in all IITs we have one members who used to spread our knowledge, and the first and the purpose that we have actually thought of were getting spread by them. So we collaborated, हम लोग ने मिलके एक structure first of all बनाया. After that the position came, we cannot start it immediately. We have to get a society registered. उस registration में there was a huge burden because कुछ चल नहीं रहा था. Visiting the CA and their offices was a big task, क्योंकि online जितना भी हो जाए, unless and unless you get the documentation proper, and moreover from the government issue and those official stuff was a big task. So that was something which we actually faced, but fortunately we did it. तो वो वाला काम तो हो गया, documentation वाला. Then we started connecting our friend circles and the people who are at different fields and the different IITians and IIMs. उनसे बनाने के बाद we started. I still remember that at around September or October, when the position was quite clear, we visited various faculties, for example NITs, and the different approachable places where we could actually go. We went there, have the minds of the students, had the minds of the teachers what they actually wanted, and understand the basic structure. उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा the biggest problem was for going to physical, क्योंकि आप फोन से जितना भी कर लो, until unless you read the minds of the students and the minds of the faculties what they actually want, और उनको कैसे comfortable कराना was a part. तो धीरे धीरे we gathered strength, लोग जुड़ते गए, चीजें होती रही, व्हाट्सएप पे ग्रुप बनता रहा. वी हैव डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पसेस. फॉर एग्जांपल हर एक एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी का. देन सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क वाज कि एक सिस्टमैटिक अप्रोच लेके चलना कि ठीक है, अगर फिजिक्स है तो फिजिक्स में हर एक टॉपिक में कौन टीचर कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ाएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट वी एम फॉर, कि टॉपिक वाइज एक्सपर्टाइज देना है, ना कि सब्जेक्ट वाइज एक्सपर्टाइज देना है. तो टॉपिक वाइज एक्सपर्टाइज करने का जो बाइफर्केशन था, that was something that took a lot period of time, but I think that will be the cornerstone of ETDCS, because that helped us to actually figure out the things as to how to go to the people and how to actually tell them as to what will be our approach and how they can do things to bridge their gaps to IIT. और अब तो like there has been very confusion like 12th का, कि 12th का बोर्ड्स होंगे कि नहीं, तो वो इशू भी था, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स इतना ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन थे कि भाई मैं आईआईटी की प्रिपरेशन करूँ, नीट की प्रिपरेशन करूँ, कि मैं अपना बोर्ड्स देखूँ. तो दैट वाज आल्सो समथिंग. बट फिर ये सही था दैट गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस कर दिया कि
You can
they
see.
will not be that exemptions will be there. So uski wajah se after that we got a good response from the student team who gathered us, who called us. फिर धीरे धीरे strength बढ़ती रही. Some of the advertisement on WhatsApp status, Insta and all that all went on. तो उससे करते करते we actually seen that people actually need these things, and this was something that keeps us motivating, because इतने ज्यादा स्टूडेंट से कॉल आना was something जो मुझे लगा कि actually people are willing for such things. तो जब ये पता चला कि हाँ people are in need of this, तो काम करने का स्पीड was double. So धीरे धीरे we gathered more team. We had different team for counseling purposes. We had different team for managing this calls of the students, and then faculties. So these things are just growing on, and we are heading on great. Let's see what will be the next step for that.
Okay, so that's very great to hear that आपने एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म स्टार्ट किया है जहाँ हर वी कैन से बच्चे का जो डाउट है, हर स्टूडेंट का जो डाउट है वो क्लियर हो सके, उन्हें प्रॉपर गाइडेंस मिल सके. बिकॉज आई थिंक एक बच्चे को जब सही गाइडेंस मिलती है, सही पढ़ाई से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है सही गाइडेंस, सही काउंसलिंग, सो दैट ही और शी कैन ग्रो इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव फील्ड्स. सर, कोई भी अगर फ्रैंकली बात करें तो कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन करने से पहले एक स्टूडेंट normally look at the fee structure, and nowadays I think their professional institutes charge hefty amount of fee from students. Students के parents को एक बार लोन लेना पड़ता है, you know, और उन्हें मॉर्गेज करना पड़ता है अपना कुछ सामान to pay the fee so that they can secure their child future. So how ETDS has a different approach about fee, and if अगर हम fee की बात करें तो उसमें क्या structure रहता है, how it's different from other professional institutions. They are charging a lot of sums from students.
Ma'am, I'll be glad to tell you that the minimum fees is 3,000 rupees for a student for the course.
So your
So
video
this is
also
something.
actually.
Okay. Is it clear now? Is it clear now?
Yes. No, your video
Okay.
got stuck. Yes, yes.
Okay. I'll be glad to announce that the minimum fees for our course structure is just rupees 3,000,
Yes, sir.
and this has been charged. Okay. Mama, I'll be glad to announce that the minimum fee structure for our course is just rupees 3,000, and the only reason for having this fees is to actually help the students so that they can easily afford these things, their studies, which they can. Because at this period of time when we are seeing that every student is having a smartphone that will generally cost you, even the cheapest phone will cost about 5,000 to 10,000. So if a person can afford a cell phone, so definitely for the purpose of education he can spare the bare minimum amount of 3,000 rupees. And this 3,000 rupees, since it's an initiative, this amount has only been to encourage also the faculty members of different institutions, because we the amount is given directly to the faculties in order to boost up there also. So we at a platform are actually connecting the IITians and the aspirants of IITians. So we have to see the students as well as the faculty members also, so as to give them something like a scholarship, you may say, so that even they are encouraged to do and give something better. Because in this period of time, it's very, let's be very frank on this topic, unless and until we are giving something to the faculties, they also need something in order to have the things going on smooth and to have their encouragement. So the amount has been charged only for the faculty members. So it will be going on like this only. And slowly and steady, when we'll see that the structures are going on, we'll be even reducing this fee structure, because when we'll see that there are a lot more people, then at one platform we are able to administer different number of students, so it will be easy for us to collect many people, and hence at that period of time we can even reduce our fee structure.
Sir, your audio is not clear. Your audio is not clear, sir.
Okay, it might be the internet glitch.
Your, your audio is not clear, sir.
Okay, is it clear now? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Not it's okay.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
as I told you, the minimum fees of 3,000 has been charged till now, and this is just the initiative. So we have this as a fees. Moreover, we'll be reducing it and fluctuating it as per the crowd of the students, because if we are getting more students, so it will be easy for us to facilitate the faculties also, and then to reduce the fees and move on slowly. So at present, the fees is 3,000 rupees. That will be the minimum fees forever.
Okay, sir. Can you list some services for our students which you offer so that it became easy for them to choose you or
Okay.
any other institute?
Okay. Now, first of all, the points that I have already mentioned. For example, we have the people from different backgrounds and the people who are actually the gems at faculties. Because this is something which we as an aspirant have always faced. कि टीचर नो डाउट थ्योरी आपको बता देता है, प्रिंसिपल समझा देता है, एंड ही विल टेल यू व्हाट एक्चुअली द थिंग्स आर, बट अनलेस एंड until आप एक स्टूडेंट का माइंड नहीं रीड करते कि वेयर ही इज एक्चुअली लैकिंग और वेयर ही एक्चुअली नीड्स द सपोर्ट, थिंग्स कैन नॉट बी. और वो एक एस्पिरेंट जो खुद एक उस स्टेज से फेस करके आगे गया है knows the better. So हमारे पास वो चीज है जो कि एक एस्पिरेंट को चाहिए. क्या? That is the lacuna. The lacuna which they are facing it right now has been tackled by our expertise. And since this has been tackled by our expertise, so वो बता सकते हैं कि if you are getting this problem, solve it in this way. So it will be an easy mechanism for them. Moreover, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, we don't have the teachers subject wise, we have the teachers topic wise, because even we have analyzed and we have seen in which that in which area the faculty is expert. So उसमें से भी मतलब even from the expert we are taking the best out of them. जो वो जिसमें वो expert हैं, जिसमें वो confidence है कि yes they know every pros and cons and every aspect of it, we are providing only that position. So we at a bridge is actually filtering out the people from the faculties and the aspect. Then they know what are the trending topics, what they have been through, and what they can be that can be asked, because वो जानते हैं कि क्या पैटर्न हो चुका है और उनका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही फ्रेश है. So they would be in a better position to tell. Moreover, the facility of 24/7 availability. For example, we have this WhatsApp group, and we'll be having an app by which we will be teaching, and then there will be having a basically a problem-solving group who will be solving the issues. So that will be a prompt reply to the people what they want, and these people being from the cream of the India, IITs, IIMs, AIMS. So they could give the best what they are actually facing and what could be the better solution to it. So these are the ways of, I must say, these are the purposes which we had at our mind, which moved us, which motivated us to create this platform. So this has been our approach, because we have always witnessed that now these coachings have become like a business. We have just listened to news wherein a big name, I cannot name it, but a big name company has been hired by the different one with for a huge amount. And where does this amount come from? It actually comes from the pocket of the aspirant. So this is which we need to tackle, because we what we are just doing, we are just connecting the expert faculties with the aspirant. So we are not there to teach. We are there to provide a mechanism to tackle the problem. So
Okay. Yes, sir. Go ahead, please.
no, no, please.
Okay. So, sir, अगर हम बात करें edtech company की like yours, so it's all about connecting with people, connecting with different people to understand their minds and to provide them solution. As you said that you have a solution oriented approach. So, in initial years of your company, as your company is in initial years, how you manage to connect with different kinds of people and to make their mind to choose you, like how difficult it is for you and how you manage all this.
Definitely difficult to है, because when you know that there are certain benchmarks to be challenged upon, you see how they work. But the difference is कि हमारा approach ही different है. What we are doing is we are just a platform to connect. So as far as being the portion of difficulty is concerned, we are having the faculty members that are fixed कि हाँ भाई इतने इतने faculty members हैं, and we know the कि student क्या feel करता है, and that faculty members also thinks the same. So जब ये पता है, connecting to students is easy, because at the time of social media and all, you have to just advertise things. So we are trying our best to catch the minds of the people, to know their issues, and for that very reason we are having different counselors from among us also, because we know कि एक स्टूडेंट को क्या चाहिए, और उनसे बात करके टू नो देम कि हाँ भाई आपकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, व्हाट यू एक्चुअली वांट, और या व्हाट दे एक्चुअली फील कि हाँ इस कोचिंग में क्या होना चाहिए। बिकॉज सबके माइंड में कुछ चूज करने से पहले ये होता है कि हाँ भाई अगर मुझे ये सर्विसेज मिलती हैं तो आई विल गो फॉर इट। क्योंकि मैंने भी दिल्ली में कोचिंग की है और जगह देखा है, द अप्रोच हैज बीन कि अच्छा ठीक है यहाँ पे प्री के लिए सही है, यहाँ पे मेंस के लिए नहीं सही है, अच्छा यहाँ पे ये सब्जेक्ट तो सही है, यहाँ पे ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं सही है। सो ये सब को टैकल करने के लिए ही हम लोग ने एक्सपर्ट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ साथ एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ टॉपिक्स सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है, कि उन टॉपिक्स के एक्सपर्ट्स करके उनको प्रॉपर वे में चैनलाइज किया जाए। सो दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज फॉर द चैनलाइजिंग। और
Okay,
वी
sir.
हैव ऑलवेज सीन कि कोचिंग में ये हमेशा रहा है कि एक पर्टिकुलर टीचर पे ही बर्डन रहा है, तो वो बर्डन भी रिड्यूस करने की कैपेसिटी इस प्लेटफॉर्म में है, क्योंकि मेरे पास अगर स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो उनके बराबर के उतने फैकल्टीज भी हैं जो कि उनको टॉपिक उस हिसाब से डील कर सकते हैं।
So, sir, as you said that you have a total, we can say, framework to counsel a student or to guide a student, teach a student so that they can connect to the right path. So, you and your team is doing great efforts for all the students out there so that they can easily reach out to you and tell their problems to you, because you have, I think, solutions for each and every student, and that's great, sir. Thank you for being a part of the Lit Days Talk Show, sir. Thank you very much for guiding us or for providing our viewers that now they don't have to worry about their studies and their career because they have ettcs.india. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू शिवानी।
It's great talking to you.
सेम है।